everyone, it's Michelle from Country Morning Creations, and I'm here with my May Traveler's Notebook insert flip through. So I make a monthly journal, and if you want to know more information about my monthly journals, you can go back through them. I've been recording them for a while. My last one for April also includes a lot about how I use them, what I do with them, how I do goal journaling and all of that stuff. So this is my May one, and it is a huge departure from what I usually make. I've been using a lot of the Tim Holtz papers, and this time Prima has come out with a whole new line called Spring Farmhouse. I was so excited. I couldn't wait to get this. I actually live in a farmhouse. I live in a 1920s Montgomery Ward kit home on 3,400 acres out in Colorado. So I just love these papers. Was so excited. This yellow is so sunny and bright. It's been rainy, it's been snowy. I am so ready for sunshine and warmth again. So this paper just really spoke to me. And I had a lot of fun creating this cover. It's very simple. This is just cardstock out of the paper kit that I got, and it on the back I put this cute little bicycle thing. It came with it. I have a couple of charms dangling from the middle. It's a little heart and a Tim Holtz coin that says life. And then on the front I did some fun things. So this big piece was all one piece, and then I glued the May piece here, so this matches all the ones from all my other months. And then I put this little bit of lace around it, and then I put more lace around this and glued the whole thing to the front. This was a sticker also included in the kit, so I just added that to the front, and you'll see more of the stickers from this kit throughout the book. And I just hold it closed with seam binding because I use it every day. I actually don't keep these bound. I keep them in a folio that closes everything up. So I don't actually bind or put a closure on my monthly traveler's notebooks. I don't normally put a pocket in the front, but this kit comes with these really cool journaling cards. And I wanted a place to put this one because this one I thought was particularly beautiful. It says Everyday Beauty. And these all go with this whole set. So you can, let me see if I can grab it real quick. It comes with, this was separate, but I ordered this because it does go with the Spring Farmhouse kit. And it's all these gorgeous cards that you can add to your journals. So I wanted to throw that in there. This is my first blank page. This will get my goals today because it is April 1st. I will be filling this page out with all my goals. And I leave a ton of blank paper in mine because I write every day and I fill this entire page. Sometimes I fill 2 pages. If you've been following me for any time, you know that I love the sound of tracing paper. So I always have a piece of tracing paper in mine. Again, a lot of just blank coffee dyed. I grabbed these papers especially because I loved how dark they turned out and all the cool, the different staining and things like that. This is just some journal paper that I had. And then I do flips. I love having this. So although a traveler's notebook is slightly smaller than mine, I hate wasting paper. So I make mine 8.5 inches tall instead of the 8.25 inches. I hate cutting off that 1/4 of an inch. But again, these are for me, so not a big deal. And then I cut the papers to about 9.25 to 9.5 inches wide. And then, of course, they're folded in half, so this is about 4 1/8 inches or 4.25 inches across there. So this was really cute. I loved this. It's a milk jug that says Be Happy and some flowers. An Edith Holden page for May. Isn't this cool? I love how that turned out. And that is, for whatever reason, the coffee just didn't stay there. It's slightly stained. This was some polka dot paper that I made probably about a year ago, and I thought, you know, I need to get that back out and start using it. And that's just used placing the paper on a barbecue grill tin that has holes poked in it. And so you get this lovely polka dot effect. Another flip, it's the British call these Wellingtons. I think we call them rain boots here in the States. And that says live and laugh. And there's the center. I do use the 5-hole binding instead of the 3-hole. I feel like that's just a little bit more secure. And then I've got more polka dot paper again. Another flip. So I can write in here, and I can add stuff here that talks about what I'm writing in here. This says, what a lovely day, and a little lantern with flowers on it. And more of this really cool paper. I love that. And the other half of that, Edith Holden. It is a single signature, so that's all that's in here. Another page. This one says, do it all with great love. And there's a heart and a flower. So these are all part of the stickers, but it also comes with a variety of other things. And it even comes with this beautiful washi tape. So I'm so excited to add that to this. I will add washi tape as I use these pages. And then we get to the end, and this gorgeous, I really had a debate between putting this on the outside and leaving this yellow on the outside, and I decided I needed the sunshine more. So the bright yellow is what ended up on the outside. And on the back is my Country Morning Creations. That's my logo. So that is in the back. And that is my May Traveler's Notebook. So I hope you've enjoyed flipping through it. If you want more information about how I use these, how I store them, what I do with them, take a look back through some of my other videos. They're listed by pretty much their month. And I hope you enjoy taking a look at those as well. Have a great day, and I hope I've inspired you to craft.